Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So you guys know that every week we love to talk about how you can find real remote jobs, in-person jobs, and even hybrid roles. But we also love to talk about legitimate ways how you can start an online business through print on demand, through our sponsor, Printify. And in our last episode, we talked about how you can get started selling embroidered denim jackets online. If you have not checked out that video, please go ahead and check it out. But today's video is pretty much trailing from that one. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to set up your Printify store and connect it to TikTok shop. Yes, we're going to talk about selling amazing products like the custom embroidered denim jacket we talked about, or anything else that you want to get started selling right on TikTok. So if you've been wanting to launch your own print-on-demand store, but you feel a little overwhelmed, completely understandable. This step-by-step guide is going to make it super simple. So let's jump right in. But just a quick heads up before we dive in, making money with print on demand, it does take time. It takes effort and strategy. So your results can vary depending on your designs, on your marketing strategy, and how much work you put in. So this video is for educational and inspirational purposes only and does not guarantee any specific income or success. So always do your own research and be patient as you grow your business. So selling on TikTok shop, it does offer incredible benefits for print-on-demand entrepreneurs and anyone looking to build an online store. TikTok's massive, highly engaged audience means that you can reach millions of potential customers just by creating fun, authentic videos that showcase your products. So unlike traditional e-commerce platforms, TikTok shop allows users to purchase products directly within the app. And so this removes the friction and makes the buying process a lot more seamless and instant. So this direct integration helps increase conversion rates and it makes impulse buying a lot easier, which is great for those of you wanting to boost your sales. Another major advantage is the platform's built-in tools for creators and sellers. So TikTok shop offers features like live shopping events, product tagging in videos, and detailed analytics to help you understand your audience and optimize your marketing strategy. Plus, TikTok's algorithm favors engaging and creative content, so even small creators can go viral and build a loyal customer base without a huge advertising budget. So overall, TikTok shop is a powerful platform to grow your print-on-demand business and connect with customers in an exciting and interactive way. So pairing with TikTok shop with Printify, which handles all of the printing and shipping, means that you can focus on creating content and marketing while Printify takes care of the fulfillment. It allows you to showcase unique and high quality products that really catch people's attention, like maybe the custom embroidered denim jacket that we talked about earlier. So this jacket isn't your average piece. It's made from soft, durable cotton with a little bit of stretch, and the embroidery adds that premium pop, personalized touch that customers love. So TikTok's audience is all about style and trends. So featuring something just like this embroidered denim jacket within your videos makes it easy to connect with buyers who want something special. Plus, TikTok shop's seamless in-app shopping experience means that when viewers see your jacket styled in a fun reel or maybe even in a TikTok video, they can buy it right there without any extra clicks or any redirects. So that ease of purchase really helps turn your views into sales. So even if you're just starting out, TikTok's algorithm can help your videos reach thousands of potential customers without having to spend big on ads. So if you want to build a side hustle or a full-time business with print on demand, selling your products like this embroidered denim jacket on TikTok shop is a smart move. Okay, so let's start off with Printify. So you're going to head over to printify.com and click sign up. You can sign up with your email or use Google or Facebook for a faster registration. And then once you're in, you would fill out your profile, your details, especially your payment information, so that you can get paid once those sales start rolling in. And then after that, you would familiarize yourself with the dashboard. This is where you get to add products, you get to upload your designs, and even manage orders and check the stats. Okay, so now let's add your embroidered denim jacket. So you would use the search bar in Printify and type in Threadfast 3707, select the product, and then you'll see all of the options like the sizes, the colors, and decoration method, which is the embroidery in this case. Then you would upload your embroidery ready design and then position it carefully on the mockup generator. We spoke a little bit about this before, but it's really great for you to balance it on the chest or maybe the arms or back so that these icons and designs will pop in the best way on the embroidery fabric. Okay, so here's the fun part, linking Printify to TikTok shop. So first you'll need a TikTok business account. So if you have not already, switch your TikTok profile to a business account within your settings in TikTok. Next, you'll go ahead and head to the TikTok Seller Center, which is seller.tiktokglobalshop.com. Apply to open up your TikTok shop. You'll need to provide them with your business information, your tax details. I mean, don't worry, it's really straightforward. And once you're approved, you go to your TikTok shop dashboard and then connect your Printify store. So Printify integrates with TikTok through platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce, so that you have one of those stores connected to Printify. You can just sync your products directly to the TikTok platform. So if you don't have a Shopify or WooCommerce site, you can manually add your product links into your TikTok shop or just create a Shopify store as a middle step. And I can make a separate video on that if you want, so let me know if you need that down below. So once you're connected, your denim jackets will be available for purchase right inside the TikTok app, making it really easy for your followers to go ahead, find, and purchase. Okay, so to wrap things up, here are some quick tips to get started selling. So you're going to create engaging videos that show your designs in action. So you want to show styling ideas, maybe behind the scenes of your design process or some customer reviews. And because sounds are really trendy right now, you would want to use these TikTok sounds or maybe even some trends to get more reach, and always include your product link within your videos and your bio. Don't forget to engage with your audience in the comments. When they have a question, be there, be responsive, and answer. That's going to build trust and help boost your sales. Also, don't forget to monitor your Printify dashboard for the order updates and the customer messages so that you can keep everything running smoothly. All right, guys, so that is your quick and easy guide, pretty much a follow-up from our previous video, to set up your Printify store and connect it to TikTok shop so that you can get started selling your embroidered denim jackets or any other custom products that you wish. So Printify has a huge catalog of so many different items and products you can choose from to customize and sell on your platform. So go ahead and check out Printify. Check out the link down below in my description box to get started with your own online store. And I wish you guys all of the best. If you've got any questions about how to set things up or anything that I mentioned here in this video, go ahead and let us know down below in the comment section. I'll be right there to answer as soon as possible. And once again, thank you so much for watching this video. Why don't you go ahead and subscribe? We share videos just like this one, helping anyone with no experience, no design skills to get started selling online using print-on-demand services, Printify. We talk about this very often here on this channel, and we also talk about other real opportunities and ways to make money in the comfort of your own home. Once again, thank you for watching. Share this video with another creative, and we will chat in the next video.